Want to turn your home into a space that feels smarter, sleeker, and more luxurious? These smart home gadgets are designed to elevate everyday living with seamless tech, modern design, and effortless control. From lighting to comfort to convenience, they bring a premium touch to every corner of your space. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Keep your floors scratch-free without sacrificing style. These silicone chair leg protectors slip easily over square legs, stretching to fit snugly and stay in place. Soft felt bottoms let chairs glide quietly across hardwood or tile, reducing noise and preventing damage. No adhesives, nails, or fuss, just simple, lasting protection. With 24 pieces in the pack, you can outfit your dining room, office, or any space with ease. Say goodbye to spills and clutter on your desk. This clip-on cup holder keeps your mug, bottle, or cup secure while freeing up valuable workspace. The non-slip silicone pad and adjustable clamp fit a variety of surfaces and cup sizes. Rotate it out of the way when not in use, or keep it handy for easy reach. Simple to install and stable, it's perfect for home, office, or study setups. Upgrade your living room with style and smart functionality. This modern LED coffee table combines storage, charging, and ambiance in one sleek design. 2 drawers and a flip-top compartment keep your remotes, books, and gadgets organized, while built-in AC, USB, and Type-C ports power everything from your sofa. RGB LEDs set the mood for movie nights or gaming, and the matte, easy-to-clean surface stays pristine. Sturdy, waterproof, and easy to assemble, it's practical and eye-catching. So if you want a coffee table that does it all, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Step into the future with a touch of classic style. This retro futuristic armchair comes in 5 unique designs: elegant, streamline, spring, cardinal, and Bel Air, so you can match your space perfectly. High-quality 4K textures bring every detail to life, while multiple file formats, including Blender, 3ds Max, and FBX, make it easy to use in any project. Sleek, stylish, and versatile, it's more than a chair, it's a statement piece. Comfort all year long is just a switch away. This 2-in-1 tower fan and space heater lets you stay cool in summer and cozy in winter with bladeless airflow and rapid heating modes. Adjustable speeds and directional vents ensure every corner of your room feels just right. The smart remote docks neatly on the unit, keeping control within reach. Easy to clean and dust-resistant, it's the ultimate all-season companion for any room. So if you want perfect comfort all year, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Stuffed animals have a way of taking over the room. This tall storage tube keeps them organized while putting every favorite on display. The clear design lets you see and grab the right toy in seconds. It stacks vertically to save floor space and fits neatly into corners. With a sealed lid and sturdy build, you keep toys clean, protected, and finally under control. Bring your favorite corners to life with precision lighting. These rechargeable LED spotlights let you highlight plants, artwork, or decor with ease. Magnetic mounts and adjustable angles make placement effortless, while the long-lasting battery keeps the glow going for hours. Use the remote to control brightness or set a timer without leaving the couch. Compact yet powerful, they add a warm, inviting ambiance anywhere you need it. Turn your ceiling into a window to the universe. This Galaxy Star projector fills your room with crisp constellations and dreamy space scenes. Swap the optical discs to explore different skies whenever you want. The soft, gentle light helps you relax, study, or drift into sleep without eye strain. Just turn it on, set the timer, and let the stars do the calming for you. So, if you want your own personal galaxy at home, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Lighting doesn't get more magical than this. This floating desk lamp appears to hover in mid-air, instantly turning your space into a conversation starter. Magnetic suspension keeps the light levitating while casting a soft, calming glow. Touch controls let you adjust the lighting to match your mood or task. It's part lamp, part decor, and a simple way to make your desk feel futuristic and fun. Music shouldn't just sound good, it should look alive. This vinyl-style speaker turns every song into a visual experience with animated album art and moving lyrics. Rich stereo sound fills the room, giving you deep bass and clean highs you can really feel. The glare-free display stays clear day or night, blending perfectly with your space. Connect wirelessly, customize the visuals, and let your music set the mood. So if you want your music to look as good as it sounds, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Trash duty doesn't have to be a hands-on job. This smart sensor wastebasket opens automatically the moment you wave your hand nearby. You toss trash in without touching a lid, which keeps things clean and hygienic. The lid stays open while you're there, then quietly closes on its own when you're done. Sleek and compact, it blends into any room while making everyday cleanup feel effortless. That outlet behind the couch doesn't have to stay unreachable forever. This adjustable outlet extender brings power up where you actually need it. You get regular plugs plus USB ports, so you can charge multiple devices in one spot. The body swivels and adjusts to fit tight spaces without tools or installation. Just plug it in, stick it in place, and finally stop crawling on the floor for power. Scoop-free days are officially here. This open-top self-cleaning litter box takes care of messes the moment your cat walks away. Smart sensors track movement from every angle, so cleaning only happens when it's safe. Waste is sealed away automatically, locking in odors and keeping your space fresh for days. You can even control settings from your phone, so you stay in charge without lifting a scoop. Tired feet shouldn't decide how your day ends. This 2-in-1 foot and calf massager gives you deep shiatsu relief right at home. It uses kneading, vibration, and gentle compression to melt away soreness and tension. Built-in heat boosts circulation, helping your feet and legs feel lighter and relaxed. Just sit back, slide your legs in, and let it handle the hard work for you. Your bedside table should work as hard as you do. This modern nightstand combines smart storage with built-in charging, so your phone is always within reach. USB and Type-C ports let you power up without hunting for outlets or messy cables. A motion-activated LED light turns on as you approach, guiding you softly in the dark. With spacious drawers and a hidden locking compartment, you stay organized, charged, and secure every night. So, if you want a nightstand that does it all, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Bring cozy vibes and soothing scents to any room. This flame-inspired diffuser doubles as a humidifier and aromatherapy machine, filling the air with mist and your favorite essential oils. Watch the realistic flame effect flicker in 7 colors, adding warmth and ambiance to your space. It's whisper quiet, runs for hours, and shuts off automatically when empty. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or yoga sessions. It turns ordinary air into a relaxing experience. Turn any corner into a colorful showstopper. This smart LED floor lamp lights up your room with millions of colors and dynamic effects you control with voice or an app. Watch it sync with your music, changing colors and brightness to match every beat. It's bright enough for daily tasks, yet stylish enough to make a statement in any space. Move it anywhere you like and instantly transform the vibe of your living room or bedroom. So if you want a lamp that brings your room to life, scan the QR on screen to shop now. No more asking guests to remove their shoes. This automatic shoe cover dispenser wraps disposable covers around footwear in seconds as you step down. You don't bend, touch anything, or make a mess. It keeps floors clean from dirt, dust, and germs, especially in busy homes. Simple, quick, and perfect for everyday use when you want a cleaner space with zero hassle. Bring sparkle back to your jewelry in minutes. This ultrasonic cleaner uses high-frequency waves to remove dirt from rings, necklaces, watches, glasses, and even dentures. 2 cleaning modes let you choose a quick refresh or a deeper, thorough clean. The stainless steel tank is durable and gentle, so delicate items stay safe. Compact and stylish, it fits anywhere and makes cleaning jewelry almost effortless. Sweeping just got a whole lot smarter. This touchless vacuum dustpan turns piles of hair, crumbs, and dirt into a quick cleanup with zero bending. Just sweep toward it, and the automatic sensors kick in instantly, pulling everything in fast and clean. Powerful suction handles pet hair and salon messes without struggle. It's always ready, always plugged in, and makes daily cleanup feel almost effortless. So if you want cleaning without the bending, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Charging chaos ends right here. This all-in-one wireless charging station powers your phone, watch, earbuds, and more from a single sleek stand. You just drop your devices in place and watch them charge together, fast and clutter-free. A built-in clock syncs automatically with your phone and shows the time, day, and room temperature at a glance. Soft, ambient lighting adds a clean, modern vibe, making your desk or nightstand feel instantly more organized. Your bed cleans itself while you relax. This cordless mattress vacuum robot glides across your bed with one tap, lifting dust, pet hair, and hidden allergens for you. Powerful suction and deep UV light work together to pull out what you can't see, helping keep your sleeping space fresher and healthier. Smart sensors guide it edge to edge, so nothing gets missed and nothing falls off. Just press start, let it do the work, and enjoy a cleaner bed with zero effort. So if you want a bed that cleans itself, scan the QR on screen to shop now. The future of comfort has officially arrived. This chic, futuristic sofa turns your living room into something straight out of a design magazine. Smooth curves and a clean silhouette make it look modern without feeling cold. You sink in and instantly feel supported, relaxed, and at ease. It's not just a place to sit, it's the statement piece your space has been waiting for. Your nightstand just got a serious upgrade. This smart bedside table keeps your phone, tablet, and lamp charging right next to you. No outlet hunting required. 2 smooth drawers hide clutter, while the open space keeps everyday items within easy reach. Built-in LED lighting adds a soft glow, so you don't need a separate nightlight. It's clean, modern, and makes your bedtime routine feel effortlessly organized. So if you want a smarter, clutter-free nightstand, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Ever wish your TV could just roll over to you? This portable touchscreen TV on wheels moves from room to room with zero effort. You can stream shows, scroll apps, or hop on video calls thanks to the built-in camera and speakers. The full HD display with rich color makes everything look sharp and vibrant, whether you're watching or working. With Android built in, you download apps directly and use it just like a giant tablet. A long-lasting battery and wireless screen sharing mean you're not stuck near an outlet. You take the screen wherever you want. So if you want a TV that follows you anywhere, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.